Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Yeah, so we getting straight into it. We're doing a little freestyle design with gel polish. Something simple. We did our nude base. I didn't record that, I only recorded the design. Right now I'm using Beetle's gel base coat. So yeah, we do that on all 10 fingers, of course, of course. So yeah, I hope you guys missed me, and I hope you guys are ready for Nailmas. I wasn't gonna do it this year. I really wasn't. But then I said, it's a thing. Let's continue doing our thing for us in this channel. So yeah. Alright, we put that in the nail lamp, let it dry. We're gonna be doing 2 zebra Frenches, 1 iced out French. Ooh, iced out French. And then we're gonna do 2 matte nails with the little raindrops. Cute, 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 cute. The gel polish, the white gel polish is from Beetles. Yeah, the nail liner brushes, they're just from Amazon, some black ones that I got. So yeah, you hit that French, make sure you clean it up, as you can see on the sides. Yep, just like that. Clean it up, make sure it's fresh. I will say there will be some like jumping around in this video, only because I cut out a lot of stuff. Okay, I'm only showing you guys one hand, I'm not doing both hands on the camera. And also you're gonna see like the view changed because my crazy butt decided to cut the video up before I zoomed in. So yeah, that's on me. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. The video, it's still nice. So yeah, get your French crispy, make sure it lines up with the French on the other finger. Fill it in after you do your line, your smile line. And always make sure you clean it up afterwards. You'll see me clean it up after I paint these nails black. So yeah, it's real cute, guys. Listen, I was trying to like record on my, well, not record, I was trying to edit on my laptop, but my hard drive is not working. Like my external hard drive that I bought, it's not working. I think I'm having a faulty cord, because I even brought out my regular Windows computer to plug it up in there, and it's not showing up on there either. But you can hear it like go in and say doo doo, and then want to take it out, doo doo. But then when I put it in, doo doo, if I leave it in, it'll turn off in like a minute and it'll say doo doo. So I assume it must be the cord. So I just ordered another one. It'll be here in the morning. So hopefully we're able to get through this promptly. And I have an external hard drive because I like to save all my videos. I don't like to lose any of my work. So yeah. Now we've painted our nails black. We put them in the dryer. We've done all our Frenches. Now we're about to do the zebra print on the white. And sorry if I'm breathing hard or if you just heard me scratching my head. Sorry. So I like to do it in like a diagonal motion. I don't like for mine to go straight across. Like diagonally, it just matches up really neatly. So yeah. And I don't want these lines to go over the French, so you take my time on that. Yes, ma'am. Go ahead, put it together diagonally. Yes, ma'am. And I bring it all the way up to the cuticle, or as good as it's gonna look. I bring it all the way up until I think it looks good enough. So, which is usually really close to the cuticle, like right there. So yeah. And I'm gonna do my second coat of this black, making sure that the thumb did fully cure, because usually I do my thumbs last. So yeah, My second coat. I didn't have to do a second coat of the white because we were doing the zebra on top. So to me, it just kind of covers up the flaws. Like, who's looking at the background? You looking at how that zebra look. Did that zebra look fine? All right, so like I told you guys, we're also going to do a iced out French. So I like to do a glitter background for that. This glitter polish I got from, like, it's called Realm or Razim or something like that. I don't know. It sounds like it may be Arabic or something. So I will link it in the description below, honestly, so you guys can copy it if you like. The color was really pretty and it is sparkly, and I just bought it. So this will be the one that I continue to use. I do have others. I don't really like how they look in comparison to this one, so I'm gonna stick with this one. And when you are using gel polish, please make sure you slide your finger down the side, not to take the gel polish off, but more so to make sure it's not too thick on the side so your shape doesn't be off. Right here, you see me painting the black nails with a matte polish. I don't know what it is about matte. Sometimes it seems like it's bubbling up. Like, I don't know, it's weird. Like, the top coat seems like it's bubbling up. It's weird, like it got stuff in it or something. So that does bother me, and it does end up making me put it like a thicker layer just to see it flat. I don't know if you guys can see the texture. Yeah, I think, well, you can, but you got to be paying attention really closely. So yeah, make sure you keep it cute. Now we're gonna do the raindrops. To do my raindrops, I use glue gel. So yeah, I put like a little dollop, just like a little dollop, and I circle it so it doesn't get everywhere, considering that it's matte underneath. I don't want it to be like stringy on my mat. So yeah, I do a circular dot, and then I take a brush and I make that little raindrop look by putting my brush inside the dollop and bringing it upward like that. And if my circle gets messed up, I just use my brush to make it circular again. And I'm using my little nail lamp, my portable nail lamp. Is that what you would call it? Mini nail lamp? I don't know. I don't know what you would call that. So yeah, sorry if y'all hear me doing all this shuffling, but yeah, I think I did put too many on it. Well, I didn't put too many because I did 2 big ones and 2 miniature ones on this, so I don't think I did too many. But it is a lot for just a pinky, you know? I will say that. So then I put a small dollop right there, and I take my brush and make it go upward. I know it's kind of hard to see because this is black polish, but when I was shining a light on it, you can see it. You see? Cute. Really small, really cute, little small drops. So yeah. And with this nail glue, it dries fairly fast with a nail lamp, so I just flash cure it a little bit, and then once when she puts it into the nail lamp, it'll fully cure, especially considering that we're also going to do a full bling nail, and I still got a top coat. So once those are done, it's going all into the lamp to completely cure. So yeah, I'll put one at the bottom. So cute. So we're gonna do raindrop emoji. If you made it this far in the video, leave me a raindrop emoji down in the comments. I'm gonna say in the description, down in the comments, to let me know that you guys made it this far. And I hope you guys are excited about Nailmas. I know I haven't really put out any content this year at all, so that's on me, you know, slacking on my pimping, but it is what it is. Now it's time for us to look for how it's going to be in the new year. So yeah, I did zoom in just a little bit more so you guys can get a clear view of me icing out this middle finger. I will be using a what do you call it, a ribbon, a bow, a ribbon bow. I don't know, it's a bow made out of ribbon, but it's a charm. Anyways, you guys will see it. It's gonna be black. This is how to set together. I will be posting a picture at the end with the inspo, so you guys stay tuned for that. Because it's not like a original design of the thought of my own thoughts. No, I got this from someone else on Instagram, so I will post theirs as well. What else? You guys let me know if there's anything you want to see during Nailmas, also in the comments. If there's anything specific that you want to see me do, put it in the comments and I'll probably do it. I'll also do like 2 lives during Nailmas. So you guys be on the lookout for that. In the lives, I'll probably be doing like either my own nails. I'll probably do one my own nails and then another press-ons. So yeah, top coat I'm using is Beetles. It's always Beetles. I love Beetles. Now remember, we only got to top coat these French nails because we already put base coat on the little droplets. I mean on the black nails. I mean not base coat. Shoot, we already put matte coat on the black nails. I did, however, off camera put some top coat over the little droplets. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Bye.